Equality before law and equal protection of laws. This provision mandates that the state shall not deny to any person equality before the law or the equal protection of the laws within the territory of India. This right is extended to citizens, foreigners as well as legal persons such as companies. Equality before law. The concept of equality before law is of British origin, which connotes the absence of any special privileges in favor of any person, the equal subjection of all persons to the ordinary law of the land. No person is above the law. Equal protection of laws. The concept of equal protection of laws has been taken from the American Constitution. It connotes equality of treatment under equal circumstances, both in the privileges conferred and liabilities imposed by the laws, the similar application of the same laws to all persons who are similarly situated. The like should be treated alike without any discrimination. A simple comparison of the concepts of equality before law and equal protection of laws tells that the former is a negative concept, while the latter is a positive concept. However, they both align in their common aim to establish equality of legal status, opportunity, and justice. Rule of law. The concept of rule of law, as propounded by the British jurist A.V. Dicey, has the following three elements. Absence of arbitrary power, that is, no man can be punished except for a breach of law. Equality before law, that is, equal subjection of all citizens to the laws of the land. The primacy of the rights of the individual, that is, Constitution, is the result of the rights of the individual as defined and enforced by the courts of law, rather than the Constitution being the source of the individual rights. The following 3 points are to be noted with respect to the concept of rule of law. The concept of equality before law is an element of the concept of rule of law. In the case of the Indian system, only the first and second elements of the rule of law are applicable, and not the third one. This is because, in India, the Constitution is the source of the individual rights. The Supreme Court has ruled that the rule of law, as embodied in Article 14, is a basic feature of the Constitution, and hence cannot be destroyed by a constitutional amendment. Exceptions to equality. The rule of equality before the law has certain exceptions. These exceptions are mentioned below. As ruled by the Supreme Court, while Article 14 forbids class legislation, it permits the reasonable classification of persons, objects, and transactions by law. However, the classification should not be arbitrary, artificial, or evasive. As per Article 361, the President of India and the Governor of States enjoy certain immunities. As per Article 361A, no person shall be liable for any proceedings in any court for publication of a true report of any proceedings of Parliament or state legislature. Article 105 provides that no member of Parliament shall be liable to any proceedings in any court in respect of anything said or any vote given in Parliament or any committee thereof. Article 194 makes a similar provision for members of the state legislature. Article 31C provides that laws made by the state for implementing DPSPs contained in Article 39, B, and C cannot be challenged on the grounds of being violative of Article 14, immunity to foreign sovereigns, ambassadors, and diplomats from criminal and civil proceedings. UNO and its agencies also enjoy diplomatic immunity from certain proceedings.